hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to fix hotspot problem in Redmi phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up like that, and here you will see many app icon. You have to click on the setting icon first. Then you have to move up some more. Here you will see many option. You have to scroll down and click on the connection and sharing option, so click on that. And you have to move up and click on the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth option, so click on that. Click on that option. Now click on the reset setting, then click on OK. Wait for some seconds, and here you will see network setting have been resetted. So in this way, in your mobile phone, hotspot related problem is fixed in a mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.